I wanted to take one moment to just clarify something about elasticities, inelasticities, and monopolies. In the previous uh, video lecture, we established that monopolies always produce in their elastic range of their demand curve. But oftentimes when we're using these words elastic and inelastic, it becomes a little bit confused if we don't have a complete command of what we're saying. So you can see here that you should suspect that monopolies are constantly trying to find products that are inelastic. When you think about the patents on drugs, medical drugs, or inventions, they are by their very nature inelastic goods. You know, if we're talking about Combivir throughout this soft chalk or other pharmaceutical drugs, those are life-saving drugs and they are very inelastic. So you can see here, if you follow my cursor, that this is an example of a inelastic demand curve. And you can see that there's a very large markup for this potential pharmaceutical drug because where MR equals MC is there, and the demand curve is so steep that they get to charge a much higher price. And you could see how this would work itself out in the real world with a drug like Combivir increasing from 50 cents to 12.50. And you can see here an elastic demand curve that's much more horizontal. Maybe there's more substitutes. Maybe the market power isn't as strong. And so there's going to be a small markup. Now, what you notice in both situations is they are still producing in their elastic range of their demand curve, the upper part of the demand curve, the elastic section or the elastic range, even though monopolies are going to constantly be searching for inelastic goods. So don't confuse the fact that the goods that monopolies produce are likely to be inelastic with the fact that they always will produce in the elastic range. Okay, I hope that cleared up any confusion.